Good morning students, class 8, chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. In this video, we revise the chapter number 2. So firstly, we discuss about name of the chapter. In this chapter, the word is used variable. Variable mean x, y, z. It's mean any English alphabet whose values are unknown are called variable. And what is the meaning of linear? In the linear, power of the variable is 1. It is called linear. Equation mean when a mathematical statement have a sign of is equal to, then it is called equation. And 1 mean in this exercise, in this chapter, we contain a mathematical statement in which only one variable is used. So it is the name of the chapter. Now we revise some questions of exercise 2.1, but remember, these questions are not important. These questions are not important for this exam, but as a revision, we have done some basic question of this exercise. In the exercise, suppose we note down question number 2. Question number 2, exercise 2.1, question number 2. In the question number 2, y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y is a variable की power 1 and sign of is equal to, so it is a linear equation in one variable. Now to calculate y, सबसे पहले we transpose 3 in right hand side. So what is the value of y? Is equal to 7. For exam, you remember then sign of is equal to just below the sign of is equal to. एग्जाम में आप इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखोगे कि is equal to का साइन एग्जैक्ट is equal to के साइन के नीचे हो. And then after find out answer, also write it is y is equal to 7. Now question number 9. In the question number 9, what is the question? 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. To find out value of x, firstly we transpose 9 in right hand side. So 7x is equal to 16 minus 9. Sorry, plus 9 because it is minus. Then we transpose it, its sign change. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. Its value is 25. Now remove the 7. When we transpose 7 in RHS, it goes in division. So what is the value of x? 25 by 7. Now we have to try question number 12. In the question number 12, x upon 3 plus x upon 3 is equal to 1 plus 7 upon 15. Firstly, to find out x, we simplify RHS. So to simplify RHS, we write 1 as a 1 upon 1, and for their addition, we find out their LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and 15? Obviously their LCM is 15. Now 15 divided by 1, we get 15. So 1 multiply 15 plus 15 divided by 15, we get 1. So 7 multiply 1. So x upon 3. X upon 3 is equal to 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7, 22 upon 15. Now to find out x, we transpose 3 in right hand side because 3 in division, so 3 goes in multiplication. So what is the value of x? 22 upon 5. So these are some questions of exercise 2.1. I sure that you have to revise exercise 2.1 self. Now we start exercise 2.2. Now exercise 2.2, the exercise contain word problems. In the word problems, firstly we make a linear equation in one variable, then solve like exercise 2.1. In this question, we have just do some questions. Question number 1. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? In this question, we have to find out a number. So firstly, we suppose the number x. Let required number is equal to x. जो नंबर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है उसको x सपोज किया. नाउ क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 upon 2 फ्रॉम अ नंबर, 1 upon 2 must be subtracted from the number. 1 upon 2 must be subtracted from the number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2. And it is a result and multiply the result by 1 upon 2. रिजल्ट को हमने 1 upon 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करी तो यू गेट 1 upon 8. देन द वैल्यू इज 1/8. अगेन रिपीट. सबसे पहले 1 upon 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट बाय द नंबर, देन द रिजल्ट इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 upon 2, देन वी गेट 1/8. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट. फर्स्टली we transpose 2 in RHS because 2 in division. So RHS 2 goes in multiplication. So it is converted into 1/4. Now minus 1 upon 2 we transpose in RHS 1/4 plus 1/2. What is LCM of 4 and 2? Yes, obviously LCM is 4. Divide by 4 by 4 we get 1. So 1 multiply 1. 4 divided by 2 we got 2. So 1 multiply 2. So 1 plus 2 upon 4. So answer of x is equal to 3/4. It's the answer. So required number equal to 3/4. I hope you understood. Just note down it. Now student, we try question number 5. In the question number 5, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. यानी कि दो नंबरों के बीच में 5 और 3 की रेशो है and their difference is 18. So find what are the numbers. In this question we have to find out two numbers but we can use only one variable. सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? रेशो बिटवीन टू numbers is equal to 5:3. And to remove the sign of ratio we use only one variable and we let first number is equal to 5x. So second number is equal to 3x. Remember, sign of is equal to is just below the sign of is equal to. It's a first number, it's a second number because variable is same. So obviously this number is greater and it is a smaller number. According to question, their difference is 8. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. 5x minus 3x, 2x is equal to 18. So what is the value of x? 18/2. So x is equal to 9. Now to find out numbers, first number, which is 5x. So 5 multiply 9, obviously 45. Now we find out second number, which is 3x. So 3 multiply 9, which is 27. So first number is 45 and second number is 27. I hope you understood. Just note down it. Okay student, in this video we have revised only one question also, and if you have any problem you can send the question number with exercise number. I will send the solution of the question as soon as possible. Now we discuss a question in which variables is given in LHS and RHS both side. Suppose the question is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. In this question, variable is both side, in left hand side as well as in right hand side. To find out value of x, we transpose 3x from RHS to LHS, and 9, which is a known number constant, we transpose it from LHS to RHS. 5 minus 9, what is the value of 5x minus 3x? Obviously 2x. 5 minus 9, minus 4. So what is the value of x? Minus 4 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Answer. I hope you understood. Just note down it and revise the chapter number 2 properly. Thank you very much.